Officially licensed product. Features all-over character print. Mario, Lugi, Yoshi, Bowser, Wario, Princess Peach, just to name a few from the Super Mario Bros. Game. 2 separate compartments for easy storage and crush-proof lunches. Zipper closures with insulated interiors with a padded top handle for comfortable carrying. Super Mario printed across the bottom in multicolor. Reduce waste and save money by packing your lunches in a reusable container. Top reviews from the United States. Good size. Large size, can hold a lot of different configurations of things. I can fit a whole funtainer water bottle in there plus a lock and lock rectangular container and then a snack on the bottom. Keeps things cold so far, has been holding up well.